an alternative or addition to your festive turkey dinner? What about meatloaves, which is half of your time to make? So let's make meatloaf today, guys. Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. So here are the ingredients that we need. I'll be using 2 pounds of extra lean ground beef. To that, I'll be adding 2 eggs, some parsley, carrots that I dice, about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, black forest ham, so we'll do that as well. We add that. 2 slices of white bread that I soak with milk. Instead of using a breadcrumbs, I prepare this one. And then salt and pepper to season it. We'll be adding cheese as well. Alright, guys? Now, in terms of the garlic and onion, so I saute 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic and sprinkle it with a little bit of dry thyme in olive oil. So here it is, guys. We're going to add that to our meat. Okay, let's mix our ingredients all together and let's combine all the other ingredients, and then we'll season it with salt and pepper, as you can see here. Now, how could you determine if your meat is based on your liking? So what I did, I scoop a little bit of this mixture and then I microwave it and taste it so that I know if I need to add salt or pepper. But I think after I do that, I added a little bit of salt just to make sure it catered to my taste. So mix, mix, mix. We'll also be using a bread loaf pan to shape our meatloaf, and of course some bacon. Alright, guys. Okay, now I'm going to lay my bacon to the baking pan, as you can see here. So I think the bacon is a little bit short, so what I did, I overlap it. So we're going to cover the full pan with the bacon, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen afterwards. So I finished laying all my bacon to the baking dish, as you can see here. So I use about 1 pack of bacon and a little bit more on the second pack. So now I'm ready to fill in my baking dish with a lot of meat. So I'm going to squeeze them together to make sure it fit all in my baking dish, as you can see here. So yeah. I was able to fit in all my meat mixture, as you can see. I also closed the bacon, so yeah, it's done. I close it up, and yeah, I'm getting excited about this meatloaf. I can't wait to see how it's gonna turn out. I am so excited, so I bet you guys this will turn out delicious. So now let's go with the next process, how I'm gonna put it to the baking dish. Alright, guys? Before I forget, guys, make sure to preheat your oven for 375 degrees, and we're going now to flip the meatloaf into our baking dish. The moment of truth! I'll also use some parchment paper to lay it to my baking dish. So now we're going to flip the bacon, as you can see here. The moment of truth is coming soon, guys. I'm getting so excited. So I'm going to position first my meatloaf, so it's gonna be in the center of the baking dish. So we're going to bake this for 375, as I mentioned, for around like 1 hour and 10 minutes. And then yeah, but we're not done yet after this. So it's almost coming out. Here we go, guys, the moment of truth. Voila! So that's my meatloaf. So we're not done. We have to do something else after this. I'm so excited. Ha! Love it. So we're not done yet. So I'm going to make some glaze. So the glaze, I heat 1 cup of ketchup into a saucepan. To that, I added a balsamic vinegar, but I use a glazed balsamic vinegar, so it's a little bit sweeter. And to that, I also add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and also a black pepper. And then after that, I cool it a little bit and start brushing it to my meatloaves. The glaze, I brush it all over the meatloaf. It's not only on the top, so everything is properly covered with the glaze for this meatloaf. There you go, guys. We're ready to put in the oven now. Okay, guys, after 1 hour and 10 minutes, here is the meatloaves. It looks so pretty, so I sprinkle it with a little bit of fresh parsley on the top as a decor to my meatloaves. Yeah, it's so delicious. I wish you can try to make this kind of meatloaves, and it looks very pretty too. Oh boy, when we make some slices, it tastes so good. My husband loves it very much. It's delicious, guys. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to all of you, to all the new subscribers, to all the previous subscribers, and to all the viewers of my channel. Thank you very, very much for supporting this channel. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you around on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.